Kylie Skin. Oh my god, it's too sweet. Boost. Say hi. Early in the morning. Where are we? Lumalaki na naman tayo. Ha? See the year stuff game? Young beans. Hello, it's our first day here in Cancun. Welcome to our vlog. Sorry. Say hi.
Hello.
Init tayo. Very slow ang ilang immigration. Hello, mister. How are you? How was the trip?
Very good.
Hey! So we're just waiting here. I think sa iba pang mga guys, mga ulat lang sa midri maipon ng tanan mga tourists para at sa isa ka van. I don't know if it's a van or a bus, but yeah, that's our first day of vacation. Was it like a very long trip? No. It was like about 3 hours. About 4 hours from Toronto to Cancun. The flight was okay. Safe naman yung nakarating. Worth it. Bali. We're here. Dito na kami sa guys, resort. How is it? I think one person at a time. Ayan si Mr. Mag-check-in na siya. Ang ganda na nila. Pa-lounge dito. Ayan. Tagal-tagal. Maganda sa labas. Mahangin sa labas guys. Pamaya magtutour tayo. Sa first day natin dito. Okay? Now that's the view. So I'm gonna make check it guys. 13:20 something. Yeah. Our room is ocean view. 13:34 there. 24. Okay. 13:01. I'm gonna check-in. So, ang napansin ko lang talaga dito guys is, alam niyo yung anahaw na dahon sa atin, pambansang dahon, anahaw. Ang dami nilang anahaw guys sa gilid-gilid ng road papunta dito sa resort na to. Ang dami talagang anahaw guys. And the moment na dumating ka sa sa front desk, kukunin nila agad yung luggage mo. Tapos pag-check-in ka nila. So what they do is, habang nag-check-in ka, sila yung magdadala ng luggage paakyat. And this is the room. Okay. Is it not ready? It's not ready? There you go. Okay na. Thank you. Let me see. I'll hold it for you. Thanks, and oh, thank you so much. Bibigyan siya. Oh my God, this is the room. Tutor ko kayo sa room. This is our first day. Oh my God, ang ganda.
Look at the view.
I know, the view is amazing. Ay! Can you help me here? Wait lang ha. I'll have a tour of the room. Ganda, diba? Wait lang. Gutom na actually kami. We're hungry. Are you hungry, my love? So I think they did it on purpose na iwan yung luggage mo sa labas. I think somehow para may income din yung mga staff. Like bibigyan mo sila ng tip kahit $1, they're happy already. $3, sisi. Binigyan ng $3. Kasi nga, kaya naman namin dalhin 2 luggage lang. But then they did it that way. So lahat ng mga tourists na nasa labas actually yung mga luggages nila. So papakita ko sa inyo yung room. So dito tayo mag-stay for 7 days. Okay? Hi guys! Welcome to our room. So this is our room. Coming sa pagpasok nyo, you see this? Parang closet. So, may ano dito. Lagyan ng mga plancha ba? Mga plancha, hanger, you can hang iron. And, right to your left side from the door, kita mo yung washroom, your one. This is the washroom. This is actually quite, like for me, nice. Then, yan lang. Very simple lang. Nandito sa loob yung toilet bowl. Ayan, may towel sa taas, shower, shampoo and shower. With that, to go here, may salamin dito. Look at that. The mirror, if you want to prepare something, and the coffee table. But ang dami naman. This is our stuff.
And what inside?
Some
Open.
fridge. Mini bar. Oh, this is actually free. Lahat ng ano dito free. Kasi all inclusive to. Ano to be? What's here?
Another room. Oh no. What's
Oh
inside?
yeah, it's another room. So you have to lock it.
No, it's alright.
Yeah?
Yeah. Don't worry.
Yeah, another room. Connecting room.
Yeah.
Meron po silang pa TV and this one right here. Pwede mo paglayan. And this is the bed. Very simple lang ang ano nila, brown. Very, ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda. This king bed. And may pa-mirror again dyan. Pa-coffee table dito kung gusto mo magkape. And that's the view! Look at that! Ooh, tignan niyo naman. Oh my God, I can't wait to swim. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng dagat, guys. Wow. Is it what you imagine?
Wow, look at the waves.
The blue. I mean,
Waves.
look at the so blue.
Yeah.
Just wow.
Just wow.
Wow. And then the swimming pool from downstairs.
Yeah.
Ang daming ano.
Yeah, and then there is beach.
Meron pa dun.
Yeah, and then we have access to another facility.
Another resort.
Yeah,
This one we go through here.
Yeah.
Grand Royale. It's so
Yeah.
amazing. I'm gonna walk outside. Isn't it amazing, guys?
And
Oh, yeah, thank you.
big waves. Big waves. Look at
Oh
the
yeah,
waves.
sobrang ganda. Kita nyo yan? Perfect yung paano dito. Naririnig nyo yung music sa bar. I think may bar dyan malapit sa swimming pool. Sobrang ganda. Kailangan talaga sulitin to. Ano yan yung ating mister? Ayan yung room. Just imagine you laying down here. Oh my God. And how blue. Grabe, ang blue ng dagat nila. Parang siyang emerald something. Oh, diba? Party kami after this. Magbibihis lang ako, guys. Are you gonna wear something? Like a shorts? Yeah. Kakain kami sa labas. Wala pa kaming kain, guys. So, yun lang muna. This is our room tour for the day. We're gonna enjoy it. Are you gonna enjoy it, love?
Yeah.
We're gonna enjoy it. So, basically, yeah, that's it. Bye. Mamaya ulit. Magdi-dress lang ako. Kapag-prepare na kami, guys. Ayan yung outfit ni Mr. Medyo ano pa. Naka-pink siya ngayon. Naka-pink. Ayan yung ating pa-outfit. Brown lang at saka ganyan. Alright. Naka-hot tayo. And nandito na rin yung mga ano ko, guys. Mga dresses. Everything is set up. And now we're going down. Sakit na gutom ako, guys. Uy. Tanawan ninyo ang gawas. Doon ako buntisan niya akong... I look like pregnant din. This should not be happening. Yan. Pero, and we're going out. Where's your hat? We're going out to eat lunch. Tignan nyo ang aking pa-dress. Same na pa-dress sa Palawan. Their dress. Where do we go? Guys, bababa na tayo dun sa baba. Oh my God, can you hear that? Hindi na si Mr. Golding doon po ating Mr. That's the view. Naghahanap kami ng food. Food. Oh my God, ang ganda. Oh, ganda, ganda. Vacation here. Nice. Tingnan natin kung bukas itong restaurant dito. Pero sobrang ganda ng place. Makita niyo yung whole area. They're just relaxing. Baka mamaya maglakad-lakad ka rin dun sa seashore lang na. Para makita niyo pag-tour. Yan. How are you? Kain tayo guys. Sobrang gutom na ako guys. Gutom ko. Pagkain. Mura siya kinilaw oh. Vegetable. Sarap. Wait lang, kukuha muna ako ng food. Ano na kami guys. Ayan. Parang meron silang pa-taco ba? Okay, singkamas good ni siya guys. Singkamas. And then I have this one. Paella. Tapos, kinilaw mo siguro na. Kinilaw. Yeah. This is what Mr. got. Kumukuha pa si Mr. Don. Kain muna tayo. Try na ko yung taco. Ha? Huh? Yeah. Pinya colada. Dami isa. Sarap. Do you like the food, Ging? Yan ulit ako guys. Ito more meaty na siya. Meat. Beef. Taco. Alright. Okay. There's a photography. I think it's a free game. This is our first day dito sa resort namin. Kung makikita nyo guys, sobrang alon talaga. Like, sobrang maalon sa araw na yun. So, yeah, sobrang ganda ng dagat. Ang sobrang ganda ng kulay ng mala turquoise, mala emerald, greenish, bluish ng color. So, we were just really enjoying this moment nung pagdating namin. Kaya nga hindi ako nakapag-outro. Wala akong outro sa vlog na to because I'm just like amazed, super grateful na I have been given an opportunity para makapagbakasyon sa lugar na to. And yeah, so ini-enjoy ko lang talaga yung kada tapak ko sa buhangin na yan. And sobrang mahangin actually, kaya nung pagdating namin dyan, bawal talaga liguan ng dagat kasi sobrang alon niya and it's not safe for the tourist. Di ba hindi ka makita?
Entonces, para esto, antes de comenzar, so before to start, déjenme presentarles por última vez a mis compañeros del staff de entretenimiento. So let me introduce the entertainment team.
So dito guys, nagbibigay lang ng instruction yung paano pa-host dito kung paano laruin. We were just really enjoying. And that's basically our vlog for that day kasi nakatulog na kami ng mahimbing. At ayan si Mr. Umiinom lang kami ng Tequila Sunrise. Free yung drinks dito. And again guys, thank you for watching this video. Sana nagustuhan nyo guys. Paki-like and subscribe na rin if nagustuhan nyo. Bye! See you on the next one. Bye! Don't forget to be good pala guys and make this world a better place. Bye!